Laila?
Laila.
She looks like such a natural. Well, that's because she kind of is. Back in the day, she was a professionally trained ballerina, but eventually she put her two doing softball. Segued into it. Still do a kick-ass.
I don't doubt it. Now let's find out more about the thrilling choreography in 13 Going on 30.
I had on 5-inch heels, which, you know, normally your typical shoe, this is what? 3-inch, 4-inch? We're talking 5-inch platforms. And so my concern was to have as much fun as possible and not kill myself.
The challenge is when I'm having, like, you know, 200 extras standing around going, man, I could do that better than them. It just sucks, man. Yeah.
Love mo si Jollibee, Lai? Love mo si Jollibee?
Trying to do that, but someone practicing in London and staged in moonwalk and then turned on
Huwag mong kainin si Jollibee. Kinakain mo naman si Jollibee.
Gusto niya naman yung isa. Gusto naman niya. Ulit, oh.